Metabolism is not just calories in and calories out. That's actually the very, very bare minimum. It's a huge chemistry that happens inside your body, and that is regulated to a large extent by your gut. So if you want to blame your metabolism, the metabolism is going to blame you for what you've done to your gut. Okay, so your gut primarily controls the trigger for, like I said, your hormones like your GLP. It controls the glucose metabolism, the insulin sensitivity. It controls your appetite. So you have to make sure that that ecosystem, that city living inside, your gut is having good diversity. And how do you build the gut microbiome diversity? Any guesses? How do you think you can build the diversity in the city in your body? What's some quick ways that you can build your gut microbiome diversity? Any guess? There's never a wrong answer. Anybody wants to take a guess? Yes, probiotic food and a high fiber diet. So your high fiber diet is actually your secret to building that microbiome diversity. So your high fiber diet, now women need somewhere between 25 to 30 grams of fiber in a day, and men need 30 to 40. Now your fiber is not just your fruits and vegetables. There are multiple types. There are soluble fiber, which comes in from your fruits and vegetables, and there's insoluble, which is on all your legumes and the harder to digest ones like some grains. You need both of them to maintain that good microbiome diversity. As much as everybody knows this, there's very little that is done. So the least you can actually do is just make sure that you include about 5 servings of fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, which isn't too difficult, particularly in an Indian diet, as long as you don't start breaking it down to, okay, I only need protein, okay, I only need my carbs. As long as you don't do that, you can be rest assured you will get those 5 to 7 servings of your fiber quite easily. One thing I want to add over here is metabolic conditions like obesity and diabetes, they naturally end up going and lowering this microbiome diversity. So which is why it's important that your fiber intake is good in order for you to rebuild that back. Otherwise, most often when you see that your diabetes is progressing or you're not dropping weight, it's probably because this microbial diversity is lesser and it only gets worse and it leads to insulin resistance, which, by the way, research has shown that when people say they have insulin resistance, they actually tend to end up having a lot of inflammation in their gut. So yes, so you want to make sure that you balance your food to have that bare minimum fiber that it requires.